Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Jenna.
Hello, hello. I'm happy to be here again.
Me too, Daniel. How are you today?
I'm great, Jenna. I'm ready to learn.
That's perfect. And hello, listeners. How are you today? Are you good? Hungry? Maybe sleepy?
It's okay. We can learn together, slowly and easily.
Before we start today's lesson, don't forget something important.
Oh, yes. Don't forget to like this episode.
And subscribe to our channel, English with Jenna.
When you subscribe, you can learn English with us every week.
That's right. And also, please comment. Tell us, what do you want to learn next time?
Okay. Are you ready to go shopping, Jenna?
Yes, let's go shopping in English. Today, we'll learn English for shopping.
Shopping! I love shopping.
Me too. We will learn how to talk at the grocery store.
Grocery store means where we buy food, right?
Yes, that's right. Grocery store means a place to buy food and drinks.
Great. Let's learn.
When you enter the grocery store, what do you say?
Maybe hello?
Yes, you can say hello to the staff.
And maybe good morning or good afternoon.
Perfect. Let's practice, everyone. Say hello.
Say good morning.
Great job. Now, you want to get a basket or a shopping cart.
What's the difference?
A basket is small. You carry it with your hand.
Oh,
A cart is big. It has wheels.
like shopping cart.
Exactly.
So, how do I ask?
You can say, "Excuse me, where are the baskets?"
Excuse me, where are the baskets?
Good. Or you can say, "Excuse me, where are the carts?"
Where are the carts?
Great job.
So easy.
Now you are inside the grocery store.
I see food everywhere.
Yes, but sometimes you can't find something.
True, I always can't find milk.
Then you can ask, "Excuse me, where is the milk?"
Excuse me, where is the milk?
Perfect.
Can I say, do you have milk?
Yes, that's also correct.
Nice!
Let's practice with other words. Where is the bread?
Where is the bread?
Do you have rice?
Do you have rice?
Where is the sugar?
Where is the sugar?
Excellent.
I think I can go shopping in English now.
Now, let's talk about price and quantity.
Oh yes, that's important.
You can ask, "How much is this?"
How much is this?
Good.
Can I say, how much does it cost?
Yes, very good.
How much does it cost?
And when you want more than one, you can say, "How much are these?"
How much are these?
Great.
Can I say, how much is that for something far away?
Exactly. You're learning fast. Let's practice together, everyone. I will say an item, and Daniel will ask for the price. Apples.
How much are the apples?
Good. Bananas.
How much are the bananas?
Rice.
How much is the rice?
Bread.
How much is the bread?
Perfect. Now, let's talk about numbers.
Oh, to understand the price.
Yes. Let's practice. $1, $2, $3, $4, $5.
$1, $2, $3, $4, $5.
Very nice. Sometimes you need help from a store worker.
Yes, sometimes I can't find things.
Then you can say, "Excuse me, can you help me?"
Excuse me, can you help me?
Perfect. And after that, you can say what you need.
Yes, like, I can't find the salt.
Yes.
I can't find the salt.
Excellent. You can also ask, "Where can I find the eggs?"
Where can I find the eggs?
Or, "Where is the cheese section?"
Where is the cheese section?
Very good, Daniel.
Thanks, teacher.
Now, you've finished shopping. You go to the cashier.
The cashier is the person who takes the money, right?
Yes, that's right. The cashier may say, hello.
And I say, hello.
Good. Then the cashier may ask, do you need a bag?
I can say, yes, please, or no, thank you.
Exactly.
Easy.
Sometimes they ask, do you have a membership card?
Oh, yes, some stores have cards.
You can say, no, I don't, or yes, here it is.
No, I don't. Yes, here it is.
Perfect. When you pay, you can use cash or a card.
Cash means money.
Yes, you can say, I will pay with cash,
I will pay with cash.
or I will pay with card.
I will pay with card.
Excellent. The cashier might say, it's $10.
And I can say, here you go.
Yes, that's polite. Then they might say, thank you,
And you say, thank you.
and have a nice day.
Perfect ending.
Let's make a short practice for our listeners.
Okay, let's do it.
Hello,
Hello.
do you need a bag?
Yes, please.
That will be $8.
Okay, I will pay with card.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day. Nice job, Daniel.
Thank you, teacher.
And you, listeners, great job too. Let's repeat that one more time slowly. Hello,
Hello.
do you need a bag?
No, thank you.
That will be $8.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's review some useful shopping words.
Yes, repeat after us.
Basket,
Basket,
cart,
cart,
cashier,
cashier,
price,
price,
money,
money,
bag,
bag,
milk,
milk,
bread,
bread,
rice,
rice,
eggs,
eggs,
cheese.
cheese.
Great! You sound like real shoppers now.
I'm ready for the grocery store.
Remember, practice makes perfect.
Yes, listen and repeat many times.
Let's do one more practice conversation. This time, you, our listener, can join Daniel.
Okay, let's go shopping together.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please. Where is the milk?
The milk is in aisle 2.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hello,
Hello.
do you need a bag?
Yes, please.
That will be $5.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Have a nice day. Let's review what we learned today.
Yes.
We learned how to say hello and goodbye at the store.
Ask for items. Where is the milk?
Ask for price. How much is this?
Ask for help. Can you help me?
Talk to the cashier. Do you need a bag?
Pay for your things. I will pay with cash.
That's a lot.
Yes. And now you can shop in English.
Wow, that's cool. Thank you, everyone, for listening to English with Jenna.
We hope you learned something useful today.
Don't forget to
Like this episode
subscribe to our channel for more easy English lessons.
and comment below. Tell us what you want to learn next time.
Yes, maybe next time we'll go to a restaurant or a park.
Sounds fun.
Keep practicing, keep smiling.
And keep learning English with us.
See you next time. Goodbye.